Right now, we're going to show you a dog, Aggie, biting a leg. Biting her own leg. Celebrate!
Don't bite you yourself.
Don't bite yourself. No, don't bite your leg. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why'd you bite
Ow, my finger.
Why are you biting your leg? Why are you biting your leg? What? Don't bite your leg. Wait. Stop biting your leg. Stop biting your leg. Stop biting your leg. Stop biting your leg. Aggie's biting her leg. How are you supposed to work without a leg? Yummy leg. Leg!
So cute.
Ooh, leg.